Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about how we have to handle the table data. Here in WebDriver University, you can see the landing page. First of all, we have to visit the landing page and move to the tables card. So after moving to here, you have to click and you have to navigate to this card, and here you have to get all these details. Let's start the Cypress implementation. First of all, I'm going to copy the existing code. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to close and create a new file called, and I'm going to create a new file called tables data. Tables hyphen data, and we should have the Cypress JS extension and paste the code which we previously copied. And here we have to remove these unwanted codes and go to the WebDriver University. And if we go here and check the ID, we have to replace in the Cypress code. So here we have the ID called data table. Copy and paste it here. So copy and replace the ID which is present here. So now this particular card will be selected and no new tab will be opened. The page will be opened in the same Cypress tab itself. Next, we have to select the CSS for the tables. Let's go, and in this page I'm going to inspect. First of all, I'm going to select the whole div container. For that, thumb I'm going to open here and open here. Here I'm going to provide Renorex velocity to check the CSS. So here now it has been opened. Copy the ID, paste here, and if we enter, you can see the whole container has been selected. Next, we want to select the table datas. Table data. So here you can see all this table datas. So next I want to copy this CSS class names and go to the Cypress code. Here I'm going to create a cy.get double quotes, paste it here. So now we will get the all those datas here. Now I'm going to provide dot each, and first I'm going to provide element, next index, list. So after this I'm going to provide arrow function. So provide here, and we have to copy all these to inside this arrow function parameters. So next I want to check the value. I want to have all the values. So here I'm going to create a new variable called constant user data, empty array, user data, and provide index. So it will push the data one by one here, and element dot text. So this is how we will give the input to the array. Next we have to check whether the total number of datas which are present inside the loop. using loop in an array. For that, I'm going to create a promise function dot then and again arrow function. So here what we are going to do is create a one variable and use for loop. So for I equal to 1 and increment the I. Here we have to check I will be I will be less than the user details length. So here user data dot length. Next we have to give if condition. Next here inside for loop I'm going to write if condition. With this if condition I want to set only the numbers. So number, and I'm going to check whether the user data will be number or not using index. If it is in number, then it will proceed the next step. Here I have to check for new value. For that I have to create a new variable here. So let number. So here we are giving let because of the value will be changed here. That's why we are using let instead of using constant. So here that variable plus the condition which we have given here. So copy this condition and paste here, and here we are using I, so we have to remove this index and use this I variable. So I variable, and here we have given space. We should not give space while using incremental operator. Next, after this for loop, we have to check the values. So first I'm going to format, then I'm going to provide. After for loop I'm going to provide Cypress dot log and total value which we have created here. So if we go to the Cypress environment and select the files, so if we scroll down you can see here we have multiple files. Table data, select this pic file and the page has been triggered. Landing page, card has been clicked, the tab has been opened, and here you can see we are facing some problem. Number is not defined. So here we have not mentioned fully. That's the problem. Again go to the front end and check. You can see the total value is 322. Next we have to test with the assertions. So for that I'm going to provide assertions below this console itself. Expect number to dot equal, and that should be 322. Again, go to the Cypress environment. The whole process will be repeat, and here you can see the assertion results. This is how we have to handle the tables in Cypress and evaluate in Cypress. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.